A fox who was found out about his true identity. Once upon a time, a samurai came into a small mountain tea shop. "I'm sorry." "Yes, welcome." "Old man, the dango here has a reputation for being good. I'll take a plate too." "Yes, yes. Please enjoy your meal." The old man at the tea shop had tea and dango. At that time, my grandfather was surprised to see Samurai's face. "Oh, well. What? A samurai's ears are triangular, and brown hairs are growing all over his face. This a samurai is a fox." The old man saw through his true identity, but the fox thought he had transformed well, and he was pretending to be in the face. The crazy old man put water in a small yukat and took it in front of the samurai. "A samurai-sama, your face and ears seem to be a little dirty. Please use this water." "Thank you for this." Samurai, who nodded, was surprised to look inside the ket. "Konkan, this is a monster. The fox is in a big fuss. Come on, a samurai-sama. Please take your time and enjoy your meal. Even if my grandfather says so, the fox can't hear it." The fox didn't even eat dango and ran away to the mountain. Grandfather went into the mountain to pick up the takeji. Then, from somewhere, "Grandpa, Grandpa." And I hear a voice calling. My grandfather looked around, but there was no one. What can I do for you?" When my grandfather says, "Grandpa, it must have been strange yesterday. It was a big failure. Fu. Oh ha ha ha." And I heard the laughter. "Oh, it's yesterday's fox. Come to think of it, it was strange at that time. Oh ha ha ha." My grandfather also laughed a lot. The end.